Hi there, I'm Josh. Welcome to Air Conditioner Lab, where we review a variety of home appliances and HVAC products so you can find the right brand for your needs. In this video, I'll share 7 of my favorite alternatives for window air conditioners. So whether you're trying to cool a room without a window or looking for a more permanent solution for your setup, I have come up with some great ways to beat the heat. Now, some of the alternatives I'm sharing today are true air conditioners, while others aren't, and I get that it's tough to compare non-AC options to the real deal. But hey, sometimes our budget calls for creative solutions. Just a quick note that all the products I mention can be found in the description. Let's get started. First up on my list of window AC alternatives, and probably the most obvious, is floor fans. While fans can't lower a room's temperature themselves, they are a really powerful weapon for moving air quickly. When paired with another air conditioning source or the right weather, fans can make a big difference in our cooling comfort. As soon as the temperatures outside start dropping, I love placing my Dyson Purifier Cool in front of my open bedroom window, inviting the chilly night air inside. This bladeless fan is super easy to maintain and keeps my air clean too. I recommend floor fans to those living in environments with cooler nights and those in open floor plans that can benefit from more air circulation. Similar to floor fans, ceiling fans are number 2 on my list. So often, I talk to people who either forget their room even has a ceiling fan or who don't know how to utilize it properly. All modern ceiling fans are designed to rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise, depending on the season. In the hot summer months, you'll want to make sure your ceiling fan moves counterclockwise, creating a powerful downdraft of cool air. If your room already has an air conditioner, ceiling fans are a match made in heaven for ambient comfort. I often recommend the Hampton Bay Hugger as a solid choice for those looking for a new ceiling fan because it has color palettes to match any room. Moving on from standard fans, which again don't actually lower a room's temperature, personal cooling devices are number 3 on my list of window AC alternatives. Devices like the EvaSmart are nice because they are extremely portable and easy to use. They work by pulling in warm air, passing it through a water-soaked cartridge, and outputting cooler air through evaporation. These devices are great for cooling your personal space. I recommend them for people looking to cool a small office cubicle or who just want a bit of direct cooling on them at home, like on a nightstand. The number 4 window AC alternative on my list is evaporative coolers, which are sometimes called swamp coolers. These units are essentially larger versions of personal cooling devices and can powerfully cool large indoor and outdoor spaces. The downside here is that evaporative coolers are only suitable for very dry climates, as the air they output has high humidity. Models like the Honeywell 525 can be used indoors as long as you keep your windows open to dissipate some of the humidity. If you're not careful, this can create damp surfaces and can even be a breeding ground for bacteria and mold, so I must stress pay attention to your output. Overall, though, I recommend evaporative coolers to those with good ventilation in dry climates and easy access to water. The number 5 window AC alternative is installing a through-the-wall air conditioner. This is often my first recommendation when I hear that someone wants to put air conditioning into a windowless room. Of course, a through-the-wall unit will make permanent changes to your home and require a much more complex installation with the help of a professional. Still, it's a fantastic way to bring long-term air conditioning to an otherwise cut-off location, and I've seen through-the-wall units work wonders in scenarios from modified attic spaces to work sheds. Number 6 on my list of window AC alternatives is portable air conditioners. Now, many portable air conditioners still need to be vented out through a window, and the Medea Duo is a great example of this. It's a good option if you have a window that a traditional window air conditioner won't fit quite right. However, not all portable ACs require ventilation. The Coolzy Pro is the first true air conditioner that can be vented or ventless based on your preferences. Its unique design is practical for cooling small spaces of up to around 80 square feet. I love mine so much that I did a complete video review of how I used it at home. I've shared the link below in the description. Last but not least, on my list of window AC alternatives, I recommend installing a Minisplit system. This will be the highest cost option up front, but also the best option for long-term cooling and heating, giving your space year-round comfort. This AC system includes an external unit, a condenser, and a compressor that powers the system, and an indoor unit mounted on the ceiling or wall based on your preferences and building type. In my opinion, mini-split systems such as the Pioneer inverter are the most aesthetically pleasing way to bring AC to a new space. There you have it. Whether you have a windowless room or you're just trying to figure out the best cooling method for your space, there's an alternative for every home and budget. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the information in the description box below. This includes all product links plus our most up-to-date article on airconditionerlab.com. See you next time.